Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just did a video, so this will be part two, but it doesn't really pertain. I don't know that I've ever tried an interlocking rings on an item that has like two different pieces and two different uh, interactive fields. But if this is a group of items, so it works. So what you want to do, you want to take a rectangle, because I want it to go interlocking, and draw a rectangle. In the previous videos I've stated you want to have the four open areas. I call them white areas. And you've got that selected. Select your blue and go right here to intersect and then nudge that out of the way. It'd be better if your nudge was bigger, but that's fine. Then take your blue, go up to object order, back a page, and now nudge this back over and look at that. It appears, well, it actually is, but it appears that they're interlocking. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.